MINK-E Camping. The MINK-E is an impressive, compact camping pod that prioritizes efficiency, comfort, and style, making it perfect for adventurers who want the basics without excess. Crafted in Iceland, this lightweight camper can be easily towed by a standard car, and its tough, weather-resistant build allows you to take it virtually anywhere. The MINK-E has a unique egg-shaped design, providing a cozy, insulated interior that keeps you warm even in colder conditions. The interior includes a large, comfortable bed that sleeps two, along with LED lighting, storage compartments, and USB charging ports. Large panoramic windows offer stunning views and bring the beauty of the outdoors inside, creating a sense of space despite the small footprint. For travelers who love simplicity, efficiency, and minimalism, the MINK-E is a dream come true. SEALANDER. Meet the SEALANDER, a unique amphibious camper that's perfect for those who can't choose between camping on land or exploring the water. The SEALANDER can be easily towed on the road, and once you reach a body of water, it transforms into a mini yacht with an outboard motor. This hybrid camper has a sleek, compact design with a convertible interior that includes a seating area that doubles as a bed, a small kitchenette, and even a roof that opens for fresh air and natural light. The SEALANDER's versatility is perfect for adventure seekers who want to make the most of any destination. Imagine camping by a serene lake, then seamlessly setting sail on the water without leaving the comfort of your camper. For those who want the best of both worlds, the SEALANDER is the ultimate choice. Motorhome double pop-outs. Motorhomes with double pop-outs offer an exceptional amount of space without the added length when traveling. These motorhomes feature slide-out sections on each side that extend when parked, creating a spacious interior that feels more like a small apartment. With double pop-outs, you can enjoy a roomier living space, allowing for larger seating areas, a full-sized kitchen, and separate sleeping quarters. Some models include dual slides on each side, maximizing the living space and creating an impressive setup that feels open and comfortable. With room for separate entertainment areas, more storage, and larger amenities, motorhomes with double pop-outs are perfect for families or groups who want to have plenty of space and comfort while traveling. These motorhomes give you a true home-on-the-road experience. EarthRoamer XV LTS. The EarthRoamer XV LTS is a serious off-road machine designed for hardcore travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who crave adventure in remote locations. Built on a heavy-duty Ford F550 chassis, this expedition vehicle is fully equipped to handle rugged terrains, including mountains, deserts, and wilderness areas. The EarthRoamer XV LTS is outfitted with solar panels, a massive water tank, and a four-wheel drive system, allowing it to stay off-grid for extended periods. Inside, it's nothing short of luxurious, with high-end finishes, a gourmet kitchen, a cozy sleeping area, and a spacious bathroom. The EarthRoamer is designed for both functionality and comfort, giving you the ability to explore the most remote areas in style. It's a perfect choice for those who don't want to sacrifice comfort while seeking a true adventure. Airstream Globetrotter. The Airstream Globetrotter combines Airstream's classic aluminum design with a modern, stylish interior inspired by European aesthetics. Known for its timeless look, the Globetrotter has all the charm of a vintage Airstream with cutting-edge updates to cater to today's travelers. Inside, you'll find a thoughtfully designed layout with spacious seating, premium materials, and plenty of natural light. The kitchen is well equipped with stainless steel appliances, a refrigerator, and ample storage, while the sleeping area offers comfortable accommodations. Its contemporary look and feel make it a great choice for those who love style and elegance as much as they love adventure. With a range of sizes, the Globetrotter is a versatile choice for solo travelers, couples, or small families who want to travel in iconic style and comfort. Skydancer Cabrio. The Skydancer Cabrio is a one-of-a-kind convertible motorhome designed for travelers who want an entirely new way to experience the road. The most distinctive feature of this RV is its retractable roof, allowing you to enjoy an open-air view while you drive or relax. Imagine cruising through scenic landscapes with a 360-degree view, feeling the wind and taking in the surroundings without any barriers. Inside, the Skydancer offers a comfortable living space with essentials like a seating area that doubles as a sleeping space and a small kitchenette. Its open-air feature provides a unique experience that brings travelers closer to nature without compromising on the basics. Ideal for scenic drives and warmer climates, the Skydancer Cabrio offers a fresh and exhilarating way to travel. Morelo Grand Empire 26T. The Morelo Grand Empire 26T is the epitome of opulent living on wheels, with every feature designed to deliver a top-tier travel experience. This high-end motorhome has a luxurious, spacious interior that resembles a high-end hotel suite. The Morelo Grand Empire includes a full kitchen with high-end appliances, a large bedroom with a king-sized bed, a fully equipped bathroom with a rainfall shower, and even a garage to bring along a small car. The attention to detail is unmatched, with plush seating, elegant finishes, and plenty of storage space. Built for discerning travelers who want the best of the best, the Morelo Grand Empire combines elegance with practicality, giving you an unparalleled sense of comfort while you explore the open road. 2002 Prevost 42 Liberty Coach. The 2002 Prevost 42 Liberty Coach is a classic in the luxury RV world, known for its timeless design, durability, and craftsmanship. Despite being a model from over 2 decades ago, it still holds up as a luxurious, well-designed motorhome. The Prevost 42nd Liberty Coach offers a spacious interior with custom-made furnishings, high-end materials, and state-of-the-art technology for its time. The floor plan includes a master suite with a comfortable bed, a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, a cozy dining area, and an advanced entertainment system. Its superior build quality and attention to detail make it a popular choice among RV enthusiasts who appreciate classic luxury and comfort on the road. Living Vehicle HD30. The Living Vehicle HD30 is designed for those who want a self-sufficient, eco-friendly home on wheels. With a focus on sustainable off-grid living, this high-end travel trailer features a fully electric power system supported by a robust solar array, allowing it to operate independently from hookups. Inside, the HD30 offers a modern and sophisticated living space, including a well-appointed kitchen with residential appliances, a spa-inspired bathroom, and a multifunctional living area that can be converted for various uses. With options for expanded water storage and energy reserves, the Living Vehicle HD30 is ideal for those looking to live off the grid while enjoying all the comforts of home. It's the perfect choice for environmentally conscious travelers who want to minimize their impact while exploring the great outdoors. Keu Mobile Home. The Keu Mobile Home is an innovative, modular mobile home that combines practicality with modern comforts. Unlike traditional RVs, the Keu Mobile Home allows you to customize the interior layout to meet your specific needs, whether you're traveling alone, with family, or with friends. It's equipped with essential amenities like a functional kitchen, a sleeping area, and a compact bathroom. Each module is designed to be highly functional and can be easily adjusted or replaced, making it a flexible choice for various travel lifestyles. Its easy-to-transport structure and cozy yet spacious design make it a favorite for people who want versatility on the go. Whether you're heading out for a weekend camping trip or a cross-country road adventure, the Keu Mobile Home provides a comfortable, adaptable space that you can truly make your own.